Hello and welcome to Technosystemicity YouTube channel. My name is Chong. Today I'm going to show you how you can edit your WordPress webpage CSS without even code. Now some of you thought well, we have page builder, we can actually rearrange some layout and stuff. Yes, I understand, but most of the time when you want something more advanced editing, you can't find within your page builder, and perhaps you need extensions. For example, if you're talking about Elementor, yes, there's a lot of extension out there in the market. You can install more plugins to actually enhance the editing experience, but sometimes you just want a simple editing, which if you are a programmer, you know that you can actually do it with a few lines of codes using CSS. However, there are many of us like myself, I'm not really familiar with coding, and I really need a simple user interface for me. With what I added is what I got, that kind of interface. So let's go. I'm going to show you how to use a simple plugin and achieve editing a CSS like a pro without coding. Let's go. Well, like I mentioned, this is dedicated for WordPress with a plugin called YellowPencil. Okay, their tagline is called Visual Customizer. So I'm going to show you how to do it now. But of course, if you want to ask me how to install and activate the WordPress plugin, then I leave it to you, because I will take it that is the basic when it comes to using a WordPress. Right now we're talking about how to edit a page using CSS like Pro. So let's go. First of all, take a quick look at this plugin called YellowPencil. Basically, they are visual style editor for WordPress, so you can customize any WordPress site. Okay, you can edit the fonts, colors, size, and more. And if you look at the functions here, you can stack, you can deal with text, background, margin, padding, border, radius, position, size. Even animations can be done as well. So well, okay, the website can be found in the video description here. You can go and take a look. Okay, if you follow my link, most probably you can find some discount. Okay, I will show, follow the link, follow the on-screen instructions to probably get the best discount you can get. Okay, but I'm talking about the official sites only. Okay, don't purchase elsewhere, because you might actually get into trouble, because they might actually inject some malware, when they're distributing the so-called very affordable license. I'm talking about $2, $5 license, compared to the original one is probably $14. But purchase it once per lifetime for one website. I think this is perfect. Okay, it's the best deal ever. Okay, you can do a lot of stuff here and so on. Okay, I'm not going to go through this page with you. In fact, I'm going to show you right now. Okay, let's take my own website as an example. Okay, after you install and activate YellowPencil, you should see this guy on top called Edit with YellowPencil on any web page. Okay, remember, you must be logged into your website. Then only you have this editor bar or admin toolbars on top. Okay, if you go to a go to a site without login, you won't see anything on top. Okay, this is merely a header of the website. Okay, so let's come here, click on this guy called Edit with YellowPencil. Give it a while to load this editing, or I call it Visual Customizer interface. From here, you can do a few things. Number one, if you look at the very top left side here, okay, here's the magic that I'm going to show you. If you try Photoshop before, or some photo editing software, this is about whether you want to select just one picture, or you want to select multiple, or you just want to select without, it depends. Then this is about layering in terms of navigations, where you want to go. Then this is about the codes. Okay, this part is only useful if you understand the code, but don't worry, I'm not asking you to code today, because we're going to use the customizer here. Then the other side, this is responsive mode, whereby you can try different scene, different devices size. The laptop, the big TV, or even do the small screen like this in just mobile. I understand that when it comes to mobile, when it comes to WordPress, you have responsive, but sometimes you still need to edit something, right? Okay, so this is why you need to check into the responsive mode. Then you can have a measuring tools. Okay, this is where you can actually understand where is the point is, and then what is the the position. This is quite similar to when you look at the map, the longitude, latitude, okay, X and Y. Okay, so this is ruler. Then if you want to look at a wireframe, this is how you look at it, okay, of your website. What are the sections you have, what are the elements you have. Okay, other than that, now I'm going to show you a few simple use case. Number one, if you look at the mobile view here, I don't like this line to have double two lines at it. I want it to be one line. So what I can do is, number one, I can extend this text area to more width. Okay, so what I can do is, let me try this. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit more. Okay, so you can see more clearly. Let me move a little bit here. So do you see this button? Okay, there's a dot. When you move over there, okay, this is another dot, this is one dot. So this dot is basically allows you to extend this element. Okay, so let's try, see what will happen. Do you see what is happened? Now I have one line of this heading, which is exactly what I want. So if I actually switch it to, okay, let me zoom out a little bit. If I try to switch it to say, okay, this one I can put on the side, say like this. Okay, this part I might want to do it this way. See, I can adjust it in this way. Then whenever it's done, you just click save. Then that's it. You will have these sizes, positions and stuff exactly as per this device. So let's say if I want to go to big screen, well, it's normal. Okay, let me zoom out, then you can see more here. Okay, this is just one of the example that you can deal with multiple screen size in terms of responsive mode. Okay, now I'm going to show you a few more I think it's very cool things. Okay, for example, I want animations. When I scroll down, I want the elements to to like evade in. Okay, so let me click this guy. Okay, the whole element here. If you see this, oh, okay, it's very small at my side. Let me zoom in more. Okay, because it's there. Okay, let me move here. Okay, let us select this, the title, Speaking, Training, Consultations. So I'm going to choose this guy called Motions. Do you see this guy here? Animations. Okay, now I can try, there are quite numbers of animation available here. Of course, I understand that if you're using a page builder, you can do this, but I'm also telling you, if you are not using any page builder but using the default Gutenberg editor, which it doesn't come with the animations, you can use this because this actually construct using the CSS. So it's very lightweight and it's compatible with most of the browsers. So let us try what kind of effect we try to do here. Let us do space it up. Okay, let's try. Okay, it doesn't work here. Let me try, maybe zoom in. Okay, it's not working. If it's not working, let me try to select just this guy. Maybe let me try to select let me try maybe this line. No, this. Okay, let's try again. Let me save and then let me try to view it and see what will happen. Anyway, there are a lot of features here for you to try and error. Okay, you can just try, and then if you don't like it, you can always undo it, or perhaps go to CSS editor here to delete what you added beforehand. Okay, so what I'm trying to share with you here is, okay, let me try it out. there's a motion here. See whether there's a motion. Ooh, okay, it's not. So probably the feature that I choose doesn't support that element. Okay, let me try again. Maybe let me try this thumbnail. Okay, let me shift here. Okay, instead of that, okay, besides that, of course, there are plenty of stuff that you can try. You know, opacities like transparency. You know, other than that, this is the motion, create an animations. Scenes 1, Scenes 2. Oops. Okay, let us close. There are lots of okay, let's say this is Bob. Aha. Okay, bounce in up maybe. Yep, something like that. Do you see what I did? Okay, let me try again. This is the image. Go to motion, animation. I'm going to choose the same one, which is bounce in up. So these two should be bouncing up. Okay, the trigger is when I on screen. Okay, it's fine. So I'm not going to touch it. Easing is there, so I'm not going to do it. Save. Okay, let me try to preview it. Let's take a quick look. About these two images will be bouncing up, like we saw this now. Let's go up. Do you see this? A quick animation. So if you don't like the animation, or you feel like you want to delay it, you want more time, yes, you're welcome to do it. Okay, so you can change it anytime. So beside this, there are a lot of features here. Okay, we're talking about, you know, not just the responsive, not just the animations. Okay, let me select either one of it. Okay, let's say this. Okay, you can even change the text, you know, font size, decoration, animations, breaking, letter sizing. Basically almost everything. Okay, you can change here. So yeah, it's pretty powerful if you ask me, to change the look and feel, the animation and stuff. So yeah, I hope you like this. Okay, let's stop. I will leave it for you to explore the rest of the features. Please remember, if you're afraid of making mistake, you can always duplicate the page, then edit with this yellow pencil. When you are done, then only you replace the, you know, the new page. Else you can just delete it and then duplicate the original page again. Okay, so well, I understand that now finally you feel relieved that you don't need to really study hard for CSS code, because you have these little tools called YellowPencil to help you to edit the page like a CS, you know, using CSS like a pro, without coding. So I hope you really enjoy this little tutorial and walkthrough, and I hope you like the video. So please, if you like what you see just now, okay, please do me one favor, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and always share to your friends whoever feel that, you know, whenever you heard about that need these kind of helps or walkthrough. And thanks again for watching YouTube channel of Technology Simplicity. My name is Chong signing off. Hope to see you again. Thank you so much and take care there. Bye bye.